Navigating pronoun changes in reported WH questions. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of reported speech, specifically focusing on reporting WH questions. But there's a twist. We're going to hone in on the topic of first-person pronoun changes within reported WH questions. This might seem a little complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down and go step by step. Let's start at the beginning. Reported speech, also known as indirect speech, is when we tell someone what another person said. We usually shift tenses and change pronouns when we convert direct speech into reported speech. Let's take a simple example. If John says, "I am happy," and you want to report that to Maria, you wouldn't use I, because you're not talking about yourself. You would say, "John said that he was happy." This change of pronoun from I to he is what we call pronoun changes in reported speech. Now, let's talk about WH questions. These are questions that start with words like who, what, when, where, why, and how. Reporting these questions involves a similar shift in tenses and pronouns, but there's a slight difference in the structure as compared to reporting statements. Direct question. What is your name? Reported question. He asked me what my name was. You'll notice two things. The verb tense changes from is to was, and the structure of the sentence changes. The real focus of this video is the first-person pronoun changes in reported WH questions. Remember our previous example of John saying, "I am happy." Now, let's imagine John asks a question, "What is your favorite color?" Here, John is asking about your second person favorite color. When reporting this, we need to change the pronoun to first person, since we are answering the question. So the reported question would be, "John asked me what my favorite color was." We've changed your second person to my first person to accurately reflect the original question's meaning. Now it's time for some practice. Try to change these direct WH questions into reported speech. 1. Where is your home? 2. Why are you late? You can pause the video here and take your time. Ready? Let's check your answers. 1. He asked me where my home was. 2. She asked me why I was late. Notice how the second person pronouns change to first person in the reported questions. And that wraps up our lesson on first-person pronoun changes in reported WH questions. It might be a little tricky at first, but with practice, it will start feeling more natural. Remember, the key is to reflect the true meaning of the original speech in your reported speech. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing. Stay tuned for our next video where we will continue our journey with reported speech. Happy learning!